main route and taking a Well, hello again. We are ready, excited for another day to unfold. It is a beautiful day. We are trekking to the Hemkund Sahib Gurudwara, one of the highest Gurudwaras in the world. So let's find some divine, if not a Wi Fi password. It's gonna be a great day ahead. I have no clue about what the temperature is. I can tell you I'm wearing a hyper warm which can protect me till 4 degrees. However, I feel it will be still somewhere between 10 to 12 degrees. So, while walking, we should warm ourselves a bit. Going strong or not, I don't know, but still going. Yay! You see that snow-covered peak? Yeah, I do too. We're not going there. We're just gonna look at it and walk. Guys, after trekking up 1.5 kilometers, I found a guy who was actually wanting to go to Valley of Flowers and found out on the way that this is not the way to Valley of Flowers. Rather, this is Hemkund Sahib route. So just to let you all guys know, from Ghangriya to Valley of Flowers is a different route, and Hemkund Sahib is totally a different route. So just ask before you leave. When we started this journey, not this trek, but from Delhi, we never knew we were going to come this far. But look, we have come so far. It has been an amazing, unexpected, thrilling, and definitely tiring journey. Oh, don't you agree? That was quick. I think you do. Yes. Oh, that was supposed to be a shortcut I took. Okay, these are nearing, means we have covered quite a few kilometers. The fact is, everything that goes up to the top goes via the mules and even few of the people. And I'm not sure how I feel about that right now. Do you hear that sound in the background? Yeah, that means we are nearing the Gurudwara. That also means it's open. We are coming. Wait for us. Temperature has risen again. This is the snow from last season, and you can imagine the temperatures around here to keep it this way. Here comes the queen of flowers, Blue Poppy. This is what we had to see in Valley of Flowers. Nevertheless, we found it here, and it is beautiful. So we have reached here, where we are still some 800 to 900 meters away from the Gurudwara. You see people going over there. Do you? There. Yeah, we're going there. Mostly we have to go till the top. Let's see. And yeah, we skipped the Valley of Flowers, but look at this. This is nothing less. Should be the last curve of our trek. You know what thing? One thing about the mountains or climbing is, the higher you go, the tougher it will be, but the more peaceful and so good views, that it's like nature pays off for the whatever hard work you've done. Whoa, this mountain looks huge. We have finally made it. This is it. This is the place where we had to be. It is breathtakingly beautiful. Can you believe we cancelled a plan to come here? Oh well, you should. I have no regrets whatsoever. This is all worth it, and I can't believe what I'm saying. Everyone who comes here to the Gurudwara is allowed to have a free meal. Since it's a pilgrimage, this lake, the Hemkund Lake, is considered to be holy, and people who come here to pay a visit to the Gurudwara, they usually take a dip in this water. Okay, we're done with Hemkund Sahib Ji. Oh, we're going back. They're all dead, very tired. Everyone has knee pain, back pain, some other pain. Let's see till where we can make, because our luggage is way below. Then we can actually travel today. Let's keep going yet again. Someone once said descending is the most difficult part in a trek, and we are on it. The journey back is not going to be easy. However, we got to keep it positive. Let's keep moving. The target to cover today is 24. However, we were able to cover somewhere around 20. We found this lodging cum restaurant cum dhaba on the way, had dinner, and started next morning. I don't want to walk anymore.